Introduction to temperature scales. The red temperature scale indicates the highest temperature of the image. The blue temperature scale indicates the lowest temperature of the image, and the central temperature point of the image. The red dot temperature scale represents the highest temperature of the analysis object. The blue dot temperature scale represents the lowest temperature of the analysis object. The average temperature of the analysis object is also displayed. A highlighted icon border indicates the display is enabled. Gray means it is disabled. The same applies to analysis objects. Click this settings icon. Analysis object color. Open the color palette. Change it to red. And click confirm. All analysis object frames will turn red. Text color of analysis object. Select a new color, e.g. blue, and click confirm. The text color of analysis objects will update to blue. Analysis object font size, adjust to 6, and click confirm. The text size for analysis targets will shrink. Mouse cursor follow settings. Enable display, and click confirm. The cursor will now follow the mouse movement. Analysis object coordinate display. Uncheck rectangle and click confirm to hide coordinates. Recheck to display them again. Default position of analysis objects. Auto places them at the default position. Fixed allows free selection from a 9-grid layout to set their display location. Click confirm. The analysis object information will now move to the bottom. Next, we introduce the types of analysis objects. Click Point Analysis Object to add a point analysis object to the thermal image. On the right side, parameters for the analysis target will appear, including maximum temperature, minimum temperature, average temperature, and the position of the analysis object. Below, there are alarm settings. Check High Temperature Alarm. Set the threshold to 25 degrees C, and the point analysis object will flash to indicate an alarm. The current image will be captured and saved automatically. Uncheck the alarm to disable it. Low temperature alarm and temperature difference alarm operate similarly. Demonstration skipped. Besides point analysis objects, options include line analysis object, rectangle analysis object, shape analysis object, polygon analysis object, and delete analysis object. Click to enter the selection interface. Choose the target to delete, and click again to confirm removal. Click Delete All Analysis Targets to remove all analysis targets at once. Restore image size. Click to reset the image to its original size.